So finally, the last part of our nervous system to evolve was our ventral vagus. So our ventral vagus, if you actually can see me, you can take your hand, put one hand on your chest and one hand on your face. And this is our ventral vagus. So it's everything above the diaphragm, connects to our heart, to our lungs, comes through our neck, and it connects to our face, which is actually called our social engagement system. So this part developed when we were now became Homo sapiens, and we lived in social groups that relied on each other to survive. So why our face is known as our social engagement system is because it was actually really important. Our facial cues gave signals to the rest of our community. We really needed to remain as a tight-knit and strong community in order to survive, because we depended on each other for hunting, for gathering, for preparing for the winter, for taking care of the young. So the way that we engage with each other by being able to show each other when we're happy and pleased, or when we're angry, or when we're sad, was really important for us to understand what different members of the group might need in any given moment, or whether a member of the group could be a threat. And so this is a state, whereas dorsal vagus and sympathetic are states where we are in a state of protection, ventral vagus is a state of connection. So from in this space, we feel safe, and it's actually the only state from which compassion can arise. We can't feel compassionate for another person if we are in a state of threat. If we're trying to protect ourselves, it's a bit too dangerous for us to feel compassion for someone else. And so now prefrontal cortex is online. So we can successfully take in information, we can rationalize, we can reason, we can problem solve. And so for this reason, we take a lot of care in the programming that we offer with our students to ensure that we get them online before we try to teach them, because we know that it's of no use. Not only am I not teaching them, giving them the tools to regulate and learn to self-regulate, but anything I'm trying to offer them in terms of learning is not going to stick, because they're not actually able to retain that information. So we do a lot of work to ensure that first we're online, and so that our work has the most efficacy. And from the state also is going to